nene yedemo ebedi ka ko eye atwoma kwanwoma akotwetwe nkomo ketua bi na edie na asi ewo atwoma kwanwoma yekowa yebesa de mako offense north nyamekopon abesi abehwe offense north for ene o mate den ene offense north for so enya water force omanya water force na efe yie ohwe ba bia ebo tintintin bi so a ensuo ni free pa na ohwe di spray a edi spray a otim say yes de bia meka se unye ni papa ema na bidi wani ma niema ewo asase ni so nyina epp eti ene eye ahaban a eye ahaban fefe akono a apie e offense no ene yeni honorable eye David Asare ewe chocho nkomo e dia fa ho sanso ni wi a ene the big issue no ewo Elimina Castle e dia na ekoso wo ho metima culture se ga na yedi ehun abro na yedi ehun abro so eso ene ibeyi hoso e di achiramune sese die yebeko atwoma kwanwoma na yene honorable Eric ono ene assembly my ultrabum na na twonkomo sanse eye education director a wo atwoma kwanwoma ya transfer ni besine also onko and the ya transfer new director aba hono ono te reception and ono the ya transfer ni momu no eto pepa cho ye honorable Asare fan chem sisi anas okay we any honorable Asare enkasa honorable good evening honorable good evening honorable bom to say
nyame adoma ya pa
honorable offense of what to say
offense of nyame adoma bibia so kama
honorable enkrofo omuo offense of ene ne patam nyina ase de metimaka so Yakopon enhiraw ene wo brase ene tuhu ache honhoma ene adwuma wo ye wo ho ama omampanyi kura bo abaso empanyfo ahodo ebo abaso de e kan se Yakopon enhiraw honorable
yo midasi
sanse ye hwe anamo awutu ho en sunsunsu aso afi enkwada nkote kura de a abaso de kese de aba on se wanya water force ewo offense north eye akomada to be precise no kre
aminya no kre pa nanu abibaye ma fato be ho se the chairman ma ko all departmental heads ni nyina ho ejinyame adom ibomode sabeko forestry bia ewo akomada ayaye from Ghana plantation aya wo ma ye no kese pa yewura kofo epe so no mo ba meje asase na ye flower asubima forest o ba ba meje nti mi ye sebeko from Ghana for no na me no ma ko tete nkomo eti mi ko ya me no mo ye international no mo ka na mi adom wo mo akọ azun ba bibia water force bi wo ho ato wo ni ebo mi de nyame ase eni ana tete omumra yan faru ntanya pa ye ko ye de koko mu ye ya pia eye apia suru ko pa ye won ga ko pa bodie no mu pa yi ya ya oke egbo bia e ta ro ma isuo no fa bo mu sa ko ba se about also no work policy no eti e do nyame atse nyame adom water force wa asubima forest aya wo akomadan aya bibia so ekoso aya forest from Ghana for so above ban se bibia go go do eho area
honorable yenhwe water force no mesram water force na honorable David Asare offense north DC ekan asem no na yeyi wo afidie so amunyina amani tua ya mu efe papa yi nso no ase crazy honorable yemusa o baby a ade no ehye no na ade a tete no wate ho abakosem da anase nansen ya enamuko hu
o media mente wa papa sam da me ba akuma da no mente ho hwe na o ya anamotia itu ade ko from Ghana plantation for no ana be na wa mo na to wa kire me so wa mo no water force bi awo forest ni ala da dia o mo dia tick awo ayo yo ko forest ana one more about the judgment. Depending on power, a quarter to say you could be a child, and the actual reality now said, I'm up to do. Now, the city I do, I'm up on say, was saying the toilet board for no, I don't know. Now you are ampy, you know. That's a question. Yeah, come. And no matter why I'm a man, I bet my boy, my best is so, and that cat now, I'm a because you're going here, you bet my restaurant. I'm a phone in the public, no more banana baby. A majority, I'm a your idea from support Lacos. It's the idea. Because I want to come here and they want
Egusua ekachem se mo amoshe twubadie enye Kentampo waterfalls ni na we eye waterfall fofra apiem e offense north eye akomadai empatem ho no forest nim na for Ghana for a omu e plant eye tick edua eye mode e na omatima ko hu saade we se ebi e wo na si Ghana ha say no nyankopon hira asase isunko ode niam bi asie na afi na eyiba onabo emra ukopie saade we so se na kokora honam eye ho
you who give me the chicken from Ghana that's it eye one you will start very that
onabo me ba cha mama we stay kakra mama ade stay kakra yes ni hu na twiri wo no yayi wo TV so wuti sebio eda so obi ehu se de wani maye eno che se na wo adwiri onabo ti ena ho no wow onabo upicha no kura e kire because ye hu dimina na uti hu se asena awose bi egu
agubi so e ho kusu
wow
awaya kusu ewa enti awa say ne aban nyina ne etimi tuket etimi develop wo na bu aka bi ya so etimi kofu
ona area hono mo na eyesa adipapa anasa adifefe wey se utwa area ho picture kire a se na area no mutie some plantations when I hear the article, one will be out of the but the one man or call because one more got before I say, according to India, a whole doctor, wow,
and not get to a crown.
I sure Ubetimi unknown, and that's all to me.
Ebobi crowd yanum ebobi wo ya nipa bebe wo di lo ye ayi so a
yes
wo se ma me no amokoye no wa mo di ebobi crowd wo yanum e pie bo mu that 100 meters away ata you say e sure ni na bo no mu sa na ababe pie an say na say afina ko
wow
one up Azama for Kutu or Bobby. Some
let us say a free a warning.
If you go more, that's 100 meters away. Would you have that cobra? Nayan call ammonium, one money and one more fair call. Wow, we probably as to follow up. They say, maybe that's right. We could chop the man. Misramo,
me wana bu mamu kokuni mame misramo. No man di papa iko chabu bo tinti misramo. Mamu panu ko chamu de basa mami ya menko. Onabo ya de ubesia na ye jawa mo akono. Edien asem na wo kafa eye adefefe ene akono de apie ewo udi street yi
mo adia asem amaka che amabo ye de niase am offensive and they are today. Yet the Yamia said, the Edika Meda, Nana Kufuado, I said, was no way me send a man to see me our offensive for Hanno. Just a idea, I do so for client. I said, I'm the man of Leura, one of our ACT, or yet member of parliament, or deputy minister for local government and rural development. I also tell me, a man should be near DC. na de bi a yin tawo office not biano me so mi yi hwadi na me bua ama bibia tima ko so ba to twa aduma me ba ye me ni ewura MP ye je plano a be ma mi hu se ba bi e bi je na so mi ku se plano ti tell o be me ti problem o ki ga so the three senior o duma ko
wow na honorable say low battery nti they also can na waka no honorable Asale honorable David Asale de mekan se Nyankopon hira na enisuade hu a woni wo MP honorable Collins team mo wo edema offense no fo no Nyankopon hira me fi se dodo na maye na emum street na wo ho no so no ene yesem se mo ye wie die na mo wie kura because we hear in shira any in super Nyankopon etogu mo so any ade kura water force no kura makuhunu no kura no Nyankopon shira mo no kan ho no shira offense no any Ghana mindful nyina ade be mso be yesan obi abrabom be Nyankopon penu na short interview be be ye be ko honorable Eric ho na ye ne no atwetwe nkomo ifri atuma kwanuma sanse mi hu bi da se education director ya transfer wo se onko ya transfer obi so aba horo new director na aba no at reception and a wu mu muti na konwa so sangrofo oi agreement ma woni tirim ya adwen bone sa director no awo sa district no adwen bone betima woni tirim owo atuma kwanuma on adwen bone betima bani tirim because bia na opeso plenty bibi o na director abeba ntiment na office senye sankade on kan hunu bida mi hu bida se director ya transfer o na fi ho emma foforo na ho ba na metra ho wo det na office na wo momu ya appointment honorable good evening
Minia.
Honorable Eric Trabuom assemblyman amene ka say
Minia kojo me da se na am say your friend a champion
yo Minia
edu amase
yo Minia champion mami musa edi benti na education director owo mo mpatam wo ya transfer no de to na foforo aba nya ba bi ntra na mo hwe no
kojo me da se bebre ni tia wa hwefo nyina enyi na am say de yi nyina yi nim say abaye djuma de mu yi bia de ya be transfer wa ko ba bi na obi so abehye wanan na afi mfie empim ene edu nwotwi mo ayewe ne da ne bosom ya toso enum ne da toso aduonu nwotwe na Director General of Ghana Education Service ni nyansem no ohun se esi yi directors ni bi ko ba bi na ye de bi so ba bi na atuma kwa ngoma nyame ncha de ode foforo aba a de o ha no nso wa transfer no so nko amantie west na ma men kan di bi o han cho kodo o se transfer letters a buy a baby a me deni o say you are requested to report at your new station and take over the administration of the district by 28th of May 2018.
28th of
May 2018,
which is 2 months now.
Me patron.
Wow.
Na ye me ya kese kra wo ade we mu na se director ye na by friend Dr. Ejare Cheme. Ono na obi take over na oba na papa ya friend Mr. Barura. Richard Barura ono na oye education director former a wokoi.
Chiremano ono na director of offensive district one.
Oh, you know the mean but asat now ono no oba atuma kwa ngoma district education office.
Okay.
Enti minya enyema bebre na ha gen a ye ntiase ye ne papa ne nko ye ne nye bibia ne mmom de ye kan say papa ne ya transfer na so transfer letter ba 2 months now adenti na wontimi nko na de waba no nso me take over na wono oba hotel reception na wo momote officer wo ye adwuma ma no san kan ade bi wo ha ema ye hwe o say appointment of budget officer Georgina Ade staff ID number and bank assistant director 1 Georgina Aden free Asante Senior High School Kumasi and a buy.
Okay.
Were appointed this Georgina Ade is the Omega budget officer. Omano appointment letter 9th July 2018.
I had the all corner appointment and I had the full Wabano.
The all corner and all appointment Emma Afufo so Mummerity. I can say Ghana Mrano say on account transfer letter ultimate appointment dear you. But papa or ye appointment I said the bear or more do move one to Butaji new director Obama. Nayaka Senedima or and one to me and yet. I don't think a concerned citizens of Achumakwamuma are led by KK. Muno, you said, Baby, I did have a pay and watch Makwamuma education. And there was a Chini Kata, now Minister of Education, and a Director General of Ghana Education Service, or Mukini Dem, now Papa Ko, Emma, the Oban and Soba. Now, until I know any say Papa, your transfer and the Kwamansi away. When you move across all my demonstration at Tiana Torman Penna. Minia. Yan should do ha. A black pay by education officer. Now or more photocopy machine back or maybe Juma. I say a photocopy in the echo affiliate photocopy machine no after intimate repair.
About how many years in it?
Never saw about 3 to 4 years.
Wow.
3 to 4 years. Photocopy machine not say. Iron repair or Moncrata send you me or the carbon tenor for ye. As a district education office, now Moncrata be with the armor the barbon thing. Secondly, now almost standby generator. I'll buy now almost in case of any unexpected light of Diana. You know, so much on their support your media or moody. A bare 8 months in standby generator and after you intimate repair. And he said, Yame Adam not you doom light here, or mobile classes are almost my performance here, Mr. Line. I thought to be also so. I am say, one of the secretary back home, or on a laptop after a base 6 months in you to repair laptop on my secretary, no, and the secretary never do not know what. Now, with him, yes, sorry, say, ye cafe, yes, and your mawino, and now more education officer for not traffic. I can't boom say the laptop na ye can want them laptop na say ya or multimedia repair my secretary no your juma bano bet na ho na ban piano can no be ka say akonfo be wia and they say tabo mo dia boni say laptop na akonfo boom na be wia ye start say ye kasa no ade a wo mo ka no 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 every time the government be a friend government interventions our the best supporting education office
yes
na omon class be be to be say A4 any A3 people somebody print and typing nano or the best support it. Everything be a bind the back. And so papa you can buy and what they introduce to a dear you can't send district anymore. Every student be one student piano would get 50% per 10. Now we shall map a woman to population of students or her. You could have over 14,000 population of students.
Wow.
And our junior high school go.
Wow.
Now 50% and 14,000. Now pay every 10 years. A brown shaft yes a catano. Headmasters are a bigger schools nano what Makwamano. Almost all the issue statement this say papa in your face. Yet they are more papa no called you near more papa neti. Ye can say Najuma no way and then start Makwamano. And then Yamia Yadum Annam, Yang Papa, Director General of Ghana Education Service, so and what transfer so on cover before. And our that's what you have for 2 months. Yeah, can say, Yan to pass them. And yet, the name won't call not your mistake over. And this Yama, now she, you demonstrating continuity, our education officer, said the best looking at Kwame one way. And the Miniako, you may start Akonia whistle, Namede and start from Tayam, Nama Patrol. Our Ghana Director General of Ghana Education Service, any Minister of Education, young Papa Manchupuku Prempe, any the 2 deputies. I say, as some of you can, I have not found Mamma Bunu, Yadia de Pa. Yes, there almost a minimum or Mamma Papa may handing over. Not your back from Mr. Kruger. Now, so what me case, handing over now, obey no. Oh, ye interview, Tina, may handing over. Put me in a Adaji Ebe new appointment by handing over to me Adajina. Minia, yesterday dream. I also watch my. One HRO. understand education that me akode
kawakoma to yem de na me pesa wo kan na waka ne nyame ya adoma from wochina up to Monday no benya good results na results ne ba so afre me ka kire me me no ka se o mampanyi ete wo hwe mampanyi fo wo Ghana ha titiri nyina ehwe dwumadie nti me no ka se me so se ebi ko pake ne niama nti kawakoma to e bo sha ye show 80 visitors e dey free was ade from today up to Monday no ubenya good results nyakopon shira
no da fi bebre nyame nshira on ba
nshira o nyina you see eto de bia titiri 30 miti ase wo mama ya transfer wo from May ebesi ne wo de te wo na de ono so ya transfer ni film ba bia no wo e di na ba wo mo te reception wo nya ba bi nya adwuma na wo te office wo o atwuma kwa ahoma na wo de te wo as a district education director and yes sir they have bufu class was a appointment even this month cry appointment me was on mandate na so 28 May ewo atuma kwa anoma na ya me busa say sergeant body ni atwifi no see any report because those mpayfo na omo tete office wona omo yi appointment no sebio ebi suba te se ono a se musuba te se ono a enu na moto o mankrofo di abayatem abai ni kama fo eto obi atimi kase bi oni se fo kira abai nanka abai na wadi wo director general no at education service wo ayi minister no na se bi odi se demonstration asa na nipa ya transfer no ofiri no office na ensem fu bi boba awo MTT the office Kumasi Central Police Station MTT na sa police no onim ne ho obi di ka fo obi na aso what one na wudi nsamfo ebe ka che me kojo asante say enipa no no di ka fo enipa no so no o ma me report no police station o sa be ka che say emfa me ho na police for adwuma obi di ka fo obi na aso ama nipa ko kromoti nyamenkwa na driver ni de kai adwuma wo police ni no te Central MTT ni wo Kumasi wo be ka kire me se emfa me ho funi wo ho na China de eba no se de tie ni da wan de kai adwuma ene ni pa ne sofa o Central MTT di Kumasi wo police ni ko ni na wudi ni wo bibia wa ha enye ne be ka ho asem na sesa wadwi fi nekro anye sa from nekro no obeti upiga. I'm telling you. Anu na yeko eya Alemina Castle na bia meka. Jumadi we edi eda so oman mu te wo se kodu Asante Kenka so di share. E man fo she da free amanoni eba Alemina Castle ha. Be bo mani akohoma. Eba be bo mani akohoma. Mo hwe ekwaya eko Alemina Castle. Mo hwe ekwaya eko Alemina Castle. Among for away a tourist attraction and go for UK, US near their day about Monamso, Echo Castle. This is madness, totally madness. It's a very shameful. Look at this. Look at this. Now say wait, Sebio. Yatigana has said, you were tourist a year minister Minister for tourism. Wabonche obia Minister for Tourism me say wabonche obia. I'm telling you today she light here work castle okra nya adwuma nanka Alemina Castle ene hwede aye mo hwede Alemina Castle aye. This is shameful, total shameful. Yet Ghana has a scam Ghana and go for the framanoni eba say kwa Alemina Castle mo hwe ba bia ke ni helicopter any at the car park near the Dina Mushe. I say, Okwa, you will be on way in charge of this area. Our do when now actually I say, look at the place. Alemina Castle and Bradina coupon. Ghana, we are more than shame. We are shame. Ghana, we are more than shame. Alemina Castle and Munisano. Look at this. I say, and I can hear asenka ebia president bi anase panyin bi ba ebia okuwe the helicopter na ade be kwakusuo ne ena mo hwe Alumina Castle. Look at this. You see program we dey that so ye omayimuti wo se Kojo Asante Kinkan so di she word by one na be ameka this very beautiful production no bright was say they will say one shada nya papa be to da bia nipa bia won nkaye na waka ne kakra na mo hwe edan no mo hwe Alumina Castle no casting where Kwame Nkrumah was sajefo ende baby wo bia ne ra ho mo hwe Alumina Castle hwe me say Alumina mpanyimfo ankasa minim bia wo meti wo twen o se ko mumma edi budoza e ko buni nyina agu because asu ni faso obi abio na say Alumina Castle ni dia ene na Ghana yo long way to go sika a fatty grofo utu kwa amanone a da bia wo kwa de omudika aka Alumina Castle but you see emi ya hwe sabi obi na ko cha ne nan e de asi wo no hwe ene Alumina Castle adare kwaye ahona afu ahona grofo je o nan Alumina Castle o man payin osajefo efie osajefo fie ene eho ena adane sabio kwaye adane sabio toilet mo amudidi mu fa nchemi na so ena mu hunu ye no because say show we you won't get it anywhere just say ATV so Kojo Asante Kinkan so di word by one that because say baby amu bi am sponsor program we na muso muko Facebook so a una muko Kojo Asante Kinkan so mbo hu se mu benya mu Facebook no una mu search Kojo Asante Kinkan so mu benya o mi Facebook o san so na ATV Ghana eno so mu ko ha Facebook mu benya hwe live Alumina Castle na bola obi di won fia na obi hwe gu Castle because Ghana paying for ye ni and ye value ade ayewo na Alumina Castle obi di ho akopon se Ghana kura be se kasaska bi da na ebetima ye kwa ye Ghana nyina kanen krofo sheda efama no ne ba enemo hwe afu ama chance ni so nyina afu enne da na Kwame Nkrumah da bu kura afu ngura afu mu na mo hwe ngura na pie da no baby Alumina Castle for you eti Ghana yenye edemponi because ye value de here also you were Ghana Tourist Board indeed they are there for nothing lazy people look at this ye wura dining na mo de mo hwe edan inside look at this we structures here reception you so who round my reception ye be yi dan mu nyina a kire mo na mo hwe reception na mu nsa no look at this that table way and 65 years still edesi Alumina Castle tourist attraction muna mo hwe bob way kwesi kokko bob odi kan ni owi ase fa sa na edi kan be boy na wo no we se the why Alumina Castle si yi dan ni mu ba bia che muna mo hwe edan ni mu ni Alumina Castle mu hwe gate di aye mu hwe gate na aye Alumina Castle ni yi chem no wo so na ati America with UK to him mo hwe o Facebook na mo ama no ni nyina na mo se Alumina Castle mo bato ho no eni yi chem no your what Ghana Tourist Board akwato fonko anekuo omuti ho for nothing they are lazy more than lazy Ghana Tourist Board omu lazy encheni mo hwe baby ankrofo jonso and the Castle and Adani Yulina ehon na nkrofo mu na look at this hwe sad way and now say Tourist Board omu sebio omu nim the importance of saneme wo ntino nothing ewo muna mo hwe Alumina Castle muna mo hwe satellite way bronu wo ye ekura no ne kasa ekura pro because satellite way se hwe ni ya nka light way se so ye tourist attraction Ghana we see ade ya meka se me hwe documentary bi car omu ye car no omu di asefom for the past 65 years no omu sie car no na se omu yi car no asa aye car for France Esprit. Do you know how much they sell that car? Almost a ton, sa car no over $200,000. mo de mo hwe enua ana afi de aluminum castle de achoku ceiling mo de mo hwe enua de achoku ceiling o aluminum castle mo de mo hwe nim kwase enum kwase mo de mo hwe aluminum castle ena mo hwe ne saa no am se Ghana ho ATV awose ka Ghana mudundum TV ne wo Ghana ni nyina na ka mo peke ye feed no na ka de ye no obi adu tu no fo we abrosa no so first floor ena mo hu ne saa no. Look at this. Here empire wa akoya nim se akoya bi ofia ho. Apa we de o se obi ofia papa minim so okofie dia. Hwe o mu na hyehyɛ ho no. Ense obi asai. Ense obi ofia. Ense hwan. Ense obi ofia hwe empire na nim. Empire we de o mu senkrofo obi ofia pa. O mu senkrofo obi ofia pa na mi so mkofie. Enne empire na AGL na castle afa. Ghana, we are more than shame. Enti eti ebetra Ghana ha ahusa ne mo me husa na me bu ofu na me reso ho enti Ghana e die pa na sisi yemfa Ghana